Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this silk press on my natural hair. It came out so bomb. My hair feeling all silky, soft, and whew, it's looking real good. Okay, y'all, so my hair is looking super dusty and it's very dirty. I'm gonna show y'all my scalp. Ugh, looks nasty. So let's get into it. I'm going to be using my shampoo and conditioner. I'm using my Tresemme shampoo. And I'm just going to be massaging that in to my scalp really good. And I only put my shampoo on my scalp. I only put it on my scalp. I don't put it on the ends of my hair because shampoo can be drying sometimes. And I shampoo it twice, so this is me going through again after I washed it out the first time. And it could be drying, so I know that when I put it in my roots, when I rinse it out, it's gonna, clean the rest of my hair, but I don't need to massage it into my actual hair. So now I'm going to be conditioning my hair, and I'm just going to be sectioning it into 4 parts, and then starting with the back section. Put in, you supposed to use a quarter or a dime. I forgot, I think a quarter size amount, but honey, I use like 2 quarters for each section. Use as much conditioner as you need to get your hair, smooth and, easy to brush through. You can use whatever kind of shampoo and conditioner you like, but I like the Tresemme Keratin one. And I just start from the bottom and I work my way up. And then I'm going to go ahead and braid it. And I'm going to let my hair sit after I condition it for about 15 minutes before I wash it out. Okay, so now that I've washed the conditioner out, I cleaned my brush out as well because you don't want to be brushing your hair again and then putting more conditioner back into your hair after you already washed the conditioner out. I'm basically going to be doing the same thing all over again. I'm just going to be detangling my hair and braiding it into 4 sections. As you can see, I didn't do the greatest job detangling, but detangle based on your needs. My hair, since I detangled it when I used my conditioner, I really didn't need to detangle it much anymore. But yeah, I actually let my hair sit in these 4 braids for about an hour and a half before I went ahead and took them down. Clearly, I'm in a whole nother place. As you can see, so, and you can see my hair is kind of dry. Oh, and also I'm using my growth serum as a heat protectant. I use three drops on my back section and then 2 drops on my front section. And you can find my growth serum on my website. I also use it in my scalp when I have braids, but I use it on my hair just to protect it from the heat so that my hair will curl back up and revert when I'm ready for it. So yeah, I just put drops on there. I rub it through really good, and then I go in with my blow dryer. I brush my hair out and I pull my hair, and I go in my blow dryer to stretch my hair out. I don't like to brush through it a whole bunch of times with my blow dryer while it's still kind of while it's super damp. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I like to stretch it really good first and then blow dry it with the brush and the blow dryer. So I hope that makes sense. But it makes it really easy when it's time for me to flat iron my hair. My hair is way more manageable. So yeah, I do the exact same thing in every section, except I make sure I put 3 drops for the back and 2 drops for the front, since the front of my hair isn't as thick as the back of my hair, and I don't want my hair to be oily or greasy and weighed down. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so now that I'm done blow drying my hair, I'm going to show y'all my scalp and how clean it is now. Made sure when I scrubbed my scalp with that shampoo that I really was cleaning my scalp really good. Because I get people that come get their hair done and they're like, yeah, I washed to blow dry my hair, but their scalps are still dirty. So I'm like, they washed their hair. They didn't make sure they washed their scalp. You gotta make sure you wash your scalp. But anyways, we're going to get into this silk press, honey, now that we've blow dried this hair out. So I'm going to be sectioning the front of my hair from the back of my hair, and I'm going to be using some clips. And the key to a silk press is the hot comb, baby. I know it's a little old school, but it gets the job done. You hot comb them roots, and then you flat iron the ends of your hair. That's what's going to give it very much silk, okay? So I try not to go over my hair too many times. Also, the key, because a lot of people ask me, like, how do I flat iron my hair without getting it heat damage? The key is, once I flat iron it this one time, I'm not going to flat iron it again. Like, my hair will stay flat iron for 2 hours. I mean, not 2 hours, for 2 weeks before I wash it again, or 2 or 3, depending on how I'm feeling. 2 or 3 weeks, but I won't flat iron it again after this. I don't curl it after this, nothing. Once I do my initial style, I don't apply any more heat to it. That's the key. People flat iron their hair and then they feel like they need to flat iron it again or curl it or bump it or whatever days later. No. I make sure I wrap my hair into a wrap at night, and then I just take it down and brush it out, and it's good to go. I do not apply heat to my hair again after this one time. But anyway, my method is the chase method, and that also gets your hair really, really silky and straight too. What I'm doing is going over the roots a couple times, and then I'll get that comb underneath the flat iron and I go down, making sure that the flat iron is chasing the comb. That's why it's called the chase method. So yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward this part a little bit. I'm pretty much doing the exact same thing. And then I'll, slow it down, fast forward it, slow it down throughout the process so that you all can see. Okay, y'all, so at this point I'm just gonna go in and trim my hair. I've been trying to trim it a little bit more lately, like, because I usually will trim it every 6 months, but I've been trying to trim it every 3 because I don't know if y'all can see, but I still have color on the end of my hair and I want it gone, but I don't really want to do another big chop. I really have no, like, urge, or I just don't want to do another big chop. So I've been just trying to cut off a little bit at a time. But y'all, last year I had cut my hair into like a little mullet because the front of my hair was heat damaged. And so you'll notice the front of my hair is a lot shorter than the back of my hair, and I'm trying to even out the back of my hair. But honestly, the back of my hair is healthy and I didn't need to cut it a lot, but I didn't want it to look so crazy. So yeah, I cut quite a bit from the back, and then I just trimmed the front a little bit. Because if you follow me on Snapchat, you know that I did cut my hair 3 months ago. And it grew back a lot, but I need to cut it again. So yeah, I just did me a little trim. I recommend going to get a trim if you don't feel comfortable trimming your own hair. But anyway, now for the styling part. This is my favorite part, y'all. And y'all know I got to do my baby hair, and I got to do me a side part, period. So I'm just gonna be slicking my baby hair down just like I would. I do my baby hair kind of the same, like, whether I have weave or I have my real hair. I pretty much do my baby hair the same. And then, baby, you know I always got to do my sideburns, honey. And then I'm just gonna be bumping the hair. And it's so funny that I bump my hair, because when I was little, honey, I did not like my mom to bump my hair. I used to be like, no, I want it straight. But like, now that I'm an adult, I bump my hair. It's kind of funny. So yeah, I'm just bumping it, putting a little curl to it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. It just makes your hair look just like bouncy and healthy. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Y'all like y'all hair all the way straight, or y'all like to bump it a little bit. But y'all, this is pretty much it for the tutorial. It came out so bomb. It is looking silky, soft. It's bouncy. It's not weighed down. It's giving very much clip-ins or something, like a weave. It's giving frontal, maybe not frontal, but honey, it don't look real. It's, oh yes, y'all need to try this. Y'all need to try it. Get the growth serum. I'm telling y'all, y'all not gonna regret it. Thanks for watching. Bye.